the automatic diet recommendation system, which is very recommending from machine learning algorithm. So here you just have to provide your basic information like your age, your height, your weight, gender, and your exercise status like moderate, lightweight, etc. And your goal, like what is your goal, like maintain weight loss or extreme loss, whatever you have goal you have to select, and you have to select how many meals you have to take. Okay, and let's suppose I took 4 meals, so then you have to click to generate button. Then system will give you basic information how much calories you should have to take, and based on your calories requirement what kind of diet you should take. Okay, so in breakfast it is suggesting these 5 diets, so you can choose any one of these. Okay, and you can check the recipe too by clicking on the button. So you can check the recipe, and you can also check the calories information. So it is more about calorie based. Okay, and based on your selection, like whatever meal you will select, it will give you graphical representation as well. Like in the uh, like this is the total calorie which you have to consume, and this is the meal calorie which you will be consuming if you choose this foods category. Okay, so it is giving you more different types of food recommendation, and this is the overall nutrition graph. Okay, so this is the one of the module which is diet recommendation. Similarly, it has one more module, custom food recommendation. So in the custom food recommendation, based on your nutrition values, it recommend you the food. Okay, based on your nutrition, what type of food can you prepare? Okay, based on your nutrition, it will generate the graph accordingly. It takes time because it uses machine learning algorithms which take time for making the prediction because data set size is very huge. And one more thing, it is not compulsory that it will suggest only Indian food. Okay, so it may sometimes suggest Indian food as well as the other countries' food. Okay, because the data set is collection of all countries' food, which is available on Kaggle too. So yeah, as you can see, based on our recommendation, it is giving me the information. Okay.
This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.